how you're going to use the adjustable benches. So say we're wanting to squat right here and the bench is in the way and there's no other place to put it that's not in anybody else's way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the handle at the bottom of the bench, I'm going to lift up, take it to the back of the rack, and stand it up. I'm going to make sure the deadlift is out of the way. Place it to where it won't roll and is not in your way. So now it's out of my way, out of other people's way, and I'm ready to squat. If I want to use it at the dumbbell station or anywhere else that needs a bench, I can just lower it back down, grab it by the same handle, move it out, and I can take it where I want it to go. Now say I don't need this flat, I need it up. There's a little bar right underneath here that will be able to release by pulling towards the bottom of the bench. And I can just lift up the base to the proper height, make sure it's in a safety slot, and I'm ready to use my bench.